They've literally just given it to City, haven't they?
I've been seeking for the glory. Say my name.
Okay, so it's stopped raining. That's a positive. The team is out, which I'll put up on the screen, and we're heading towards the ground to play the champions. We've just been for some food, 25% off food and drink before and after the game on a match day at Genting Casino Sports Bar. Chris, you've had some of the food. What was it like?
Yeah, very nice. The pizza, Dave, it was quite tasty and quite good offer, so it was worth taking up.
Absolutely. And now you've seen the team reverted to 5 at the back finally.
Yeah, it's taken quite a long time for the manager to realise that we've got to play that way, which is a concern, but he's done it, so hopefully we'll get back to some of the form that we had early part of last season, and replicate what we did last year, and I think we might nick the game 2-1.
Oh my God, Chris, you know what, when he says these things like this happen, I'm more positive now. Let's go over and find Magic. Well,
hello there.
Just enjoyed your burger.
Yeah.
What are you thinking, Dad?
Have a guess.
I don't know, Dad.
2-1.
You're going 2-1?
Wolves, yeah.
To Wolves, you're going to give him a goal?
Yeah, I'll give him a goal.
Let's hope. Look, I'm just going to, odds are stacked against Wolves. Have done this in the past. They have changed to the back 5, but
Did you go back 5?
I can't bet against us. Just can't. My head says one thing. The producer says one thing. But I'm going to go with my heart. And look, I'm going to go for a 1-1. And if we could nick it 2-1, like this man says, would be absolutely amazing. But yeah, we've enjoyed some really nice food. Company before the game. Put some images up for you. And yeah, as I say, it's up to it's on match days. If you've got a match ticket, you can get in. Doesn't matter who you support as well. So let's get down to the ground.
Walls keep tumbling down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody. I always feel so lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, not on to midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of I used to spend
Lucky socks. Yeah, no, they're great. Look.
Lucky socks.
I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of that. I try to get everyone to see me. I play my games, but I just end up looking like a showcase. I have myself to blame.
Right. We nearly conceded straight away then. Oh, yeah! Come on! Get in! It's a great counter-attack! Come on! What a break! Come on! Get in! Fantastic! Fantastic! 7 minutes in, it's well. Oh, they nearly scored straight after as well. It's 5 at the back. It's pace and attack. It's what we used to do. It's a great break from Wolves getting out of defence. 1-0. Come on.
stand up to him.
That's a great goal, that is. They haven't been able to play through us, but that's top bin. 32 minutes. They haven't been able to play through us. We've defended resolutely, to be honest. We've had a chance for 2, but that's an absolute banger from outside the box. It's top bin. Sark on nothing about. It's just a great strike. 1-1. Oh. There's the half-time whistle, it's 1-1, and can't say City don't deserve it. The Wolves have played, been very resolute, we've looked dangerous on a couple of breaks. Probably had the 2 best chances, took one of them. Jose Sark made a couple of smart saves just after the first goal and just before the end of the first half. 1-1, but it's going to be a tough second half. Are we still in it? Come on. So interestingly, Tommy Dawes come on, which is great, but Andre's come off, which to me isn't. Unless he's injured, because he's probably our best defensive midfielder. It's just kicked off. Bloody hell.
Without a shot, we can all see that.
He's put the shift in. Pace in the. He's got some speed. Carlos Forbes needs to use it. Come on, son. Really good finish from Larson. He's got a bit of crack now. Gedev's coming on now. 78, 79 minutes. Still 1-1. Get through the booze before. Bellegarde coming on for Joe Gomez. He's had a great game. 5 minutes. Unbelievable. Hold on, what's happened here? What's happened here? They're celebrating like they've won. Well, they're sending the referee over to check a disallowed goal on offside. I don't get this. I don't get it. I don't get it. How can it be? How can that be a subjective decision? Fucking absolute ridiculous.
Fucking take the way to the Premier League.
Unbelievable. Absolute joke. What the fans think about that? They've literally just given it to City, haven't they? Should have had a free kick at the other end as well before all the corners. 2-1 City. Daylight robbery. So literally just walking through the subway on the way back. Man, I'm a bit annoyed, if I'm honest. Not with the performance from Wolves. Thought performed really well. You know, City are a world-class team, man, world-class players, probably the best team in the world. And like the way we've lost that game in the 95th minute, it's gutting, absolutely gutting. The referee, Kavanagh, I'm furious about it. I'm absolutely furious about the way we've lost that game because like there's a foul on Geddes at the other end, there was a foul on Santiago Bueno before that last corner, and then he's in front of Sarr. Man City, West Ham away last year, same thing, but goes against us the other way. But yeah, disappointed. Obviously the City fans in force as usual. They'll be loving it. Top of the league. Leave your thoughts obviously in the
Bloody shit, Dave.
oh, tell me about it, man. I mean that at the end there, what do you think of that?
Offside.
Hey.
Well, he was in the goal with his fucking eye line, so...
Exactly.
Well, when we play West Ham, go over all day.
Well, I'm just saying exactly the same thing.
But
when it's us, you know, and then it goes to the
Crap,
and how many offsides do you see? It's subjective. But
well,
the ref,
when he went to the screen, I've never seen a ref not give it.
I know,
But-
but we knew it was going to happen, didn't we?
City, eh?
Yeah.
Always get it.
Absolutely.
Up the Wolves.
Up the Wolves, mate. Always Wolves. So there you go, mate. That's another fan exactly the same. I mean, we're gutted about that. You know, City go marching on, of course they do. They've had another helping hand today. You know, obviously, on the balance of play, you'd say they deserve to win. But, man, seriously, not like that. Not with the referee, who was, by the way, wearing a sky blue shirt. Until the next one, leave your thoughts, full reaction on the Always Wolves YouTube channel or podcast. Hit those subscribe buttons. Till the next one.
'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of high.